Tremendous cute, tremendous cute, tremendous cute.
Who's your favorite pitmaster's favorite pitmaster?
Way! Yeah!
Hey, what's going on, Tremendous Q fans? It's your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q, and today I got a dope video for you guys. All right, now I gotta thank my sister. She's actually got her own YouTube channel, Matisse.Jameen. All right, I gotta thank my sister because this was a Christmas gift for her from her that I think she hit the nail dead on the head. Okay, if you guys know me, you've been following the channel for a while. You know I absolutely love barbecue, and I love all things unique about barbecue, some of the novelties, etc., etc. Right? So before I get into that, I want to make sure I thank everybody for stopping by the channel. Right? If you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, cut on those notifications so you can get notified when I drop all my latest content. If you are a returning or subscriber, of course, I thank you for your support. And I'll go ahead and hop right into the video. Without any further ado, this was a Christmas gift from my sister, right? And what I love about it is that you can make any drink a smoked drink. And that's what we're gonna be doing here in this video, okay? So I'm gonna test out 3 different drinks, okay? None of these are smoked. I got some tequila, I got whiskey, and I have, of course, rum. We'll do that one last. Now, I'm gonna try a different flavor with each one of these. So to make sure that the video doesn't get a little too long, okay? I'll try a different flavor with each one of these and we'll see how we like it, all right? Now, if you check these things out, it's the Middleton Mixology, all right? That's gonna be that's the brand of the wood chips. But what it is, take this top off. All right, you got a bunch of wood chips. You got a bunch of wood chips on the inside. Now, this particular flavor is hickory, okay? But you have hickory, oak, cherry, and maple, all right? So hickory, oak, cherry, and maple. You take some of these wood chips and you place them inside the smoker top. You set the top on your drink. You use a torch, you light the wood chips, and then you watch the smoke go into the drink, all right? That's all the explaining I'm gonna do. Let's go ahead and try our first drink. All right, so the first one that we're gonna try is the tequila, okay? We're gonna use oak with the tequila. I wanna keep it simple, all right? So let's go ahead and get our tequila in the glass. All right. I'm working my way up. Don't worry about how much I'm pouring. Cause I know a couple of you guys are out there. That is not a glass of tequila. No, trust me. I got like 3 of these things to work through, guys. So for the amount, you really don't need a lot at all. A very, very, very small pinch. You probably can't even see me adding. Okay. So we got it right in there. We'll set our glass on top. All right, I'm actually gonna leave that off. Now you take your torch and you light your chips, all right? You're gonna get them lit and you're gonna see the smoke fall into the glass. Woo! That is awesome. That is absolutely awesome. The smell that smells like oak. We'll lift the top up. All right. Set that to the side so the smoke has stayed in. We'll give it a whirl. You guys, that is seriously. Tell me that's not awesome, right? So now, I don't want to drink the smoke, all right? It end up with a stomach ache or something crazy like that. So I'll blow the smoke out of this glass. And let's see if the tequila absorbed any of the flavor. Oh, wow. Yes. Yeah. So you can tell from the top, I've already tried this a little bit, but I tried it with some weaker alcohols. I wasn't sure because tequila is so strong. I wasn't sure if the tequila was going to absorb a lot of that smoke flavor, but it absolutely did. That is pretty good. All right, we did oak. Set that to the side. Got a smoker top back. Actually, we're gonna dump our old wood chips to see. So you can see I did not use a lot of chips at all for that little bit of smoke. All right, that's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these and rinse the glass. All right, so next up we have whiskey. Now with the whiskey, I think I'm gonna go for the maple, okay? I don't know, something about Maker's Mark and maple. It just feels like they go together, okay? So let's pour up. And we're gonna go with maple, all right? Let's place the oak. I will leave a link in the description down below so you guys can tell, so you guys know where to go to buy this, all right? All right, again, we're going with just a pinch, not a lot at all. All right, lighters up. I just can't get over how cool that is. All right, so we let the smoke fall. We'll take our top off. Smoke stays in the glass, set that to the side. And now you can see the smoke it moves around a little bit, but it kind of just sets at the bottom. Get a little twirl action. I'm probably having more fun than this, way more fun with this than I probably should. All right, so we get that out of there. Let's see what the Maker's Mark tastes like with a little bit of maple. Okay, that one's not as strong, but what I do get a very, very, very strong sense of is the smell. That maple smell inside the glass is very strong. Okay, that was not bad. That was not bad. Like I said, not getting the strong flavor of the actual maple wood chips, but the Maker's Mark, I mean, it's a whiskey, it's a Kentucky bourbon barrel whiskey, right? I'm not getting the strong maple smell from this, but I'll tell you the aroma, the smell of it, and then obviously the novelty of having kind of this party favor is really, it's more so for show, I'd say, than it is for anything else. So let me go rinse the glass. Let's move on to the last drink, all right? My favorite rum. Flor de Caña is hands down my favorite rum, all right? I discovered this on a deployment to Honduras a few years back, and I have not been able to get enough of it since, okay? Everywhere I go, one of the first things I do is I try to find Flor de Caña. Fortunately, out in Belgium, about a couple of months after we got here, they weren't carrying any at all. So I had to try a whole bunch of other rums that just did not quite cut it. But I found this after a couple of months, and they actually carry the 12-year regularly instead of the 7. And the 4 I absolutely don't recommend. All right, let's go ahead and get the Flor de Caña poured up. And for the Flor de Caña, I think I'm going to go with cherry. I know sugarcane is what rum is made of, but I feel like cherry would be perfect. At least cherry over hickory, right? I got 4 flavors. I did the oak, I did the maple. I feel like cherry would go pretty good with this. So let's get our smoker top put on. Get our pinch of wood chips. All right, put some of that back. All right, so now we're going with a little bit of cherry. Let's see if we can do this without blowing this thing up again. All right. I think we're gonna add a couple more wood chips. We got a little bit of smoke, but probably went a little bit too light. We'll add a couple more in there. See if we can smoke this thing out. Whoa, there we go. All right, there we go. And go ahead and pull that off. So the cherry probably smells my favorite of all the 4 flavors so far. That is, yep. The cherry definitely is my favorite smell. That's my favorite aroma of the 4 so far. Do a little twirl. All right, last drink. Cheers to you for making it this far in the video. Cheers to 2022. I hope that you and your families all have a safe year, COVID-free. And let's see what the rum in this mixology has for me. Again, it's mostly the aroma. It's not quite as strong of a flavor. Like I don't know why the flavor was so strong with the tequila. I feel like the tequila absorbed it a lot more than the whiskey and the rum did. But again, the aroma is pretty strong. It's that strong, sweet wood. Yeah, it's the flavor. The smell is strong. The flavor is but again, it's an awesome party favor that if you have friends over, if you have family coming over, this will be an awesome thing to show them during a get together. All right, so that was the video. I appreciate you guys checking this out. Thank you to my sister, my baby sister, for giving me this awesome Christmas present. There's a lot of wood chips. All right, there's a lot of wood chips in all of these containers. So I'm going to be using these for a little while. All right, but I definitely intend to put in that work. So I got a little bit of drinking to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and log off and get to work on knocking down some of these chips and a couple of these bottles of alcohol. All right. If you guys have stuck around this long, thank you. Go ahead and hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on those notifications so you get notified when I drop all the latest content. And we'll see you in the next video here on the Tremendous Q channel. All right. Peace.